Good morning, vlog.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hey, how y'all doing? It is day 2 of cruising into the new year. It's currently 11:12. I've been up for like maybe an hour-ish. I'm a little hurt because breakfast stops at 9:30 in the like dining rooms. And I saw one place where it said it was open until 11. So I went and it was like, we're not serving breakfast no more. I was like, that's crazy. I'm about to hop in the shower. And then after I hop in the shower, one of the things that I want to go do today, I saw this flyer. They're doing like a shopping giveaway. So I said, maybe I'll go. See if I win. You never know. I'm going in with the energy of you never know. I might win, I might lose, but hopefully I have fun. And then after that, I'm going to the Ladies Pamper Party at 1:30. I know I booked to go to the ice bar, which I'm super excited about. It's literally like a bar that is ice, which is crazy to me. But my first objective is to hop in the shower and not smell like cheeks. These waters are like crazy. I've also never sailed aft before, and aft is like back of the boat. I've always been like midship, so the rocking isn't as like bad. But child, when I tell you, I can feel every rock bump, skippity jump. I feel it all, babes. Let me see if I can show you. Can you see it? Like, it's kind of scary because you can tell how deep it is. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's not like 20, 30 feet deep. Like, that's thousands. Every time I'm on a cruise, I like look at how vast the water is, and I'm like, for some reason, I'm like, that's how vast the love of God is for us. Where you look at it and you're trying to find an end, and there's just no end. It just keeps going. Beautiful in that way, horrifying in the fact that not only does it just keep going for miles, it's thousands of feet deep. Anyway, let me stop scaring myself and hop in the shower. I'm dressed, I'm ready for the day. Top is Walmart, jeans are Walmart, sandals Target. I did my hair in this half up, half down. Brought my little antennas out to like add some seasoning, some flavor. I know I showed y'all my nails, but I'm still like in awe of my nails. They're so cute. Right now I'm going to be heading to this. I guess I get to collect a complimentary jewelry gift. I think it's this. If I'm the first 200. So I'm gonna be one of the first 200, because what else do I have to do? So yeah, I'm gonna head that way. I have no idea where it is, honestly. The weather, it looks like it's gotten a little mucky out there. It's a little mucky. But I'm gonna head to this giveaway. I will update y'all if there's anything to update y'all with. I don't think there's gonna be much though. There's way too many people in here. Okay, as you saw, I was in the ice bar. My footage is not very good because I got nervous. My ears are still freezing cold, and I couldn't see through my glasses for a minute. But it was a really cool experience to like see all the ice. And the man was really nice, and he gave me 3 drinks because one of the drinks I got was non-alcoholic. Right now I'm getting ready for dinner. I came back to my room so I can grab my book. I can grab my iPad so I can have some entertainment for dinner. And I will show y'all what I get for dinner. I think I'm gonna go with like a steak or something. Just because I can, you know? But I'll let y'all know. It's your favorite version of Tay, editing Taylor, and I am editing this vlog together, and I'm coming to realize that I completely did not record the food, didn't tell you where I was going, which part of me feels like it happened, like I recorded it, but I've been having this issue sometimes with my phone where suddenly clips are gone. I don't know where they're going, but they're gone. So the next clip is me coming back from one of the shows aboard the ship called the Million Dollar Quartet. Short synopsis: it was a musical about the one day, one song event of the Million Dollar Quartet of Elvis, Johnny Cash, and two other people I don't remember for real. I'm sure if you Google Million Dollar Quartet, you'll find it. Anyway, back to regularly scheduled programming. Alright, I just got back from watching the Million Dollar Quartet. Right now I'm looking at like the map. I don't know why I like looking at the, like, it tells you how fast the ship is going and all of that stuff. I enjoy seeing like how far we've traveled, I guess. But yeah. We are currently on our way to Cozumel, so I'm really excited to go to Cozumel. Like I said, I just finished watching the Million Dollar Quartet show, which is really cool. I have never really paid attention to any of those artists. The only artists I would know are Johnny Cash and Elvis Presley. I don't know who's the Jerry Lee Lewis. I feel like I've heard his name, I just don't know who he is. I knew this was gonna tangle. And Carl Parsons or something like that. I don't know. All I know is it didn't mean nothing to me. They just had really nice voices and they all blended together really well. I knew I shouldn't have taken this down this way. So I watched that. I was disappointed because I missed the comedy show. But it is what it is. You can only do and see so much. I'm hoping that they do another comedy show tomorrow, like when everybody gets back on the ship, so I don't miss it. Like, what is going on? Should I be worried? Probably. Another 5-10 minutes later, I just had to rip it off. Sorry that today was kind of boring, but hopefully tomorrow's more exciting.
Tomorrow.
Good morning. How y'all doing? I just realized I didn't start the vlog for today, but good morning. Starting the vlog now. As you can see, I'm dressed, I'm ready to go because today is a port day and we are going to Shanakanog, and I'm going to shop before we go to Shanakanog, which is just fun to say. I had breakfast. It was pretty good. I had an omelet and some bacon, and I'm currently attempting to get off the ship, so we'll see how that goes. I'll talk to y'all when I'm in the port. Well, remember when I told you I was going to a beach park? LOLJK. I guess because of the weather, it's a no-go. So I have to go out there and see if they have anything else to do, or just find something to do, which I guess I can do either. I want to show you the two purses I got. You put it in a dust bag and everything. I got this one, Gorgiana. I love this one actually. Was very excited. I wanted to see if I can find a Lana or a Brooklyn bag, but they didn't have them. And then this one, this is the one I'm most excited about. This is so cute. Actually, I won't say I'm most excited about this one. I'm most excited about the one. But this one is so cute because it reminds me of a purse that Fran had on The Nanny, but hers is red. But I got a black one. So excited. I think I got them both for $150, which they don't look bad for $150. Okay. So I'm just kind of like emptying the stuff that I got while I was at the port, and I'm gonna head back out and see if I can find something, or see if they'll like let me do something else. I'm also gonna change my shoes because the ball of my foot was hurting real bad in those shoes. I'm hoping that the weather isn't like a I don't want to say showstopper, but showstopper for the rest of the cruise. Because I know in Dallas, it's like literally snowing. And the waters were pretty rough on the way over here. And it's super windy outside, so that makes sense. But I don't know about the rest of the ports. But right now, I'm going to head out and see if there's anything else I can do. And I'll talk to y'all when I find out. Okay, I just finished my massage. Fantastic. I'm just awakening again. And readjusting to society. But it was really good. I'll put a picture of the place right here so y'all know where to go. If I'm in Cozumel. I'm gonna focus on trying to get back to the cruise port now. We're about to leave, honestly. I can feel the boat starting up. I didn't show y'all anything that happened. And if I did, I can't remember what I did show. I didn't really do much. Didn't do much. Editing Taylor is back again. I don't know what's worse, the camera on my laptop or this crack in my screen protector that's making my camera look horrible. But I just wanted to end the vlog because I think based off of my clip from me on the top deck, I was expecting to combine Cozumel with Belize, I think is the next day. I already combined it with the day at sea. So I'm like, is that too much? I don't know. I think I'm gonna just post this one, see how y'all respond to shorter vlogs. And you can let me know in the comments. Are you somebody that prefers a vlog that's less than 15 minutes? Or are you looking at something that's 20, 30, preferably even 40 minutes? Let your girl know in the comments down below. With all that being said, thank you if you've made it this far into the video. Thank you for watching. Also, maybe comment palm tree emoji in the comments so I know that you made it this far. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Can't focus on me.